Do you have a space in your home that needs updating? Keep watching to see how I refresh this outdated powder room to a sparkling new gem. 15 years ago, I decorated this powder room for my client who at the time was into warm tones of burnt orange and mosaic prints. The walls were faux finished with a metallic paint, and the vanity cabinet was painted metallic gold. The floors were oak wood, and the fixtures were builder grade, so we worked with what was already there until now. It has been brightened up with fresh paint, a new shutter on the window, an accent wall of gold and white porcelain tile, a gorgeous new crystal light fixture, as well as a brand new slim sink vanity combo. The sink base is a medium blue-gray with gold legs that tuck perfectly into this little nook, providing a little more floor space than before. Speaking of the floors, they were also replaced with white marble, which also makes the room look and feel a little larger. But as you can see, it still looks a little plain, so we'll add some decorative touches through some practical accessories. Initially, I thought I would use this marble tray on the back of the commode to hold these essentials, but then I changed my mind. Sometimes you have to move things around until it feels just right. Here's an example of what I mean. I bought this oil-rubbed bronze tray to hold the soap and lotion dispensers, but the tray was a little too wide for the sink ledge, so I decided to swap the trays. You see how that's a much better fit? Press the thumbs up button if you agree. When decorating, I try not to purchase all of your accessories from the same place, in order to avoid buying sets or having everything all matchy-matchy. Items should coordinate and be interchangeable, which makes your room look more interesting and more high-end. When filling clear dispensers, I like the color of the contents to go with the design too. Those subtle details make a difference. So that no one else will have your exact same design, I shop for one-of-a-kind pieces like this geode stone. This will look great on its own little display shelf, and I just love the way it sparkles when the light hits it. The vanity cabinet did not have any drawer pulls, and so I added these. How gorgeous! This is a close-up of the metallic print on the valance. Now that you've seen all the individual pieces, Are you ready to see the whole room pulled together? The colors of this art piece brings the geode theme and the colors of the whole entire room into one cohesive look. Now get this. After I revealed the final design to my client, she was amazed at my selection of artwork for her. This photo was taken back in 2014 of her inside of a marble elevator in Abu Dhabi, and she loved it. Now, I had no idea about this picture. Coincidence? I think not. Just gotta get to know your client's taste. I hope you were inspired by this powder room refresh to go ahead and update that outdated space you have. Whether you tackle it yourself or hire a decorator like me, surely it will be well worth it to help you enjoy your home that much more. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to see more decorating videos from me in the future. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, and let me know what room you'd like to see ideas for in the next videos. Click these videos on the sides to see more from my collection. I'm BrainSTORM, and you'll see me next time.